Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Gyan Sagar. Today we are going to learn about cognitive psychology. This is one of the subject of MA psychology. I will be uploading a series of video covering all the unit of cognitive psychology. I have already covered Unit 1 in my previous video. I hope you have already watched it. If not, I will tag that video in the description. Go and watch that first. In this video, I will be covering second unit. Second unit, information processing and in learning. Information processing in learning and memory. The mechanism of learning and memory are at the essence of how the brain works. सबसे first introduction. One of the most fascinating and mysterious properties of the brain is its capacity to learn, or its ability to change in response to experience and to retain that knowledge throughout an organism's lifetime. The ability to learn, to establish new memory is fundamental to our very existence. We rely on memory to engage in effective action, to understand and what we read, to recognize the objects we see, to decode an auditory signal representing a speech, and even to provide us with a personal identity and sense of self. Memory plays such an important and ubiquitous role that is often taken for granted. The only time most people pay attention to their memory is when it fails, as too often happens though brain injury or disease. मस्तिष्क के सबसे आकर्षक और मिस्टीरियस प्रॉपर्टी गुणों में से एक है इसके सीखने की क्षमता, कैपेसिटी, जो इस ज्ञान को जीवन भर बनाए रखते हैं. The ability to learn, to establish new memory is fundamental to our existence. Memory play an important role. मेमोरी सबसे महत्वपूर्ण और सर्वव्यापी भूमिका निभाती है. बट ज़्यादातर लोग इसे ध्यान ही नहीं देते हैं. जब चोट लगती है या कोई बीमारी होती है तब ध्यान इस ओर जाता है. लर्निंग एंड मेमोरी. लर्निंग एंड मेमोरी play an important role. Learning is acquiring new knowledge, behavior, skill, value, preference, or understanding, and may involve synthesis and processing different type of information. Benjamin Bloom has suggested three domains of learning. Benjamin suggested 3 domains of लर्निंग 3 क्षेत्र बताए हैं बेंजामिन। कॉग्निटिव and psychomotor and affective. Cognitive to recall, calculate, discuss, analyze, problem solve etc. आता है। Psychomotor to dance, swim, sky, dive, drive a car, ride a bike etc. Affective में to like something or someone, love, appreciate, fear, hate, worship और etc. फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन लर्निंग टू प्ले चेस, जब हम चेस को खेलना सीखते हैं द पर्सन विल हैव टू लर्न, पर्सन को सीखना पड़ेगा रूल ऑफ द गेम, गेम के नियम, जो कि गेम के नियम सीखना कॉग्निटिव डोमेन है। बट ही ऑल्सो हैज टू लर्न हाउ टू सेट अप द चेस, और चेस के जो पीस हैं वो उसे कैसे रखना है, कहाँ रखना है, ये सब भी सीखना पड़ेगा। एंड प्रॉपर्टी होल्ड मूव ए चेस, और चेस को किस प्रकार इस पीस को चला जाए, ये सब सीखना पड़ेगा, जो कि साइकोमोटर है। और आफ्टर दैट वी लर्न इन गेम, पर्सनल में इवन लर्न टू लव गेम इट्सेल्फ, वैल्यू एप्लीकेशन इन लाइफ, अप्रिशिएट इट्स हिस्ट्री, इफेक्टिव डोन, फिर उसे कोई अपने जीवन में उतारना, हमको अच्छा लग रहा है उसके जीवन में, ये सब तीनों आता है बेंजामिन के में। 3 क्षेत्र बेंजामिन ने सुझाए, 3 क्षेत्र, 3 डोमेन बताएं, कॉग्निटिव, साइकोमोटर, इफेक्टिव डोमेन। अब मेमोरी, memory is usually divided into 3 storage system: sensory memory, short term memory and long term memory. Memory divided into 3 storage system: sensory memory, short term memory and long term memory. Sensory memory is affiliated with the transduction of energy. सेंसरी मेमोरी इज एफिलिएटेड विथ ट्रांसजक्शन ऑफ एनर्जी, ये एनर्जी से जुड़ा हुआ। द इन्वायरमेंट मेक्स अवेलेबल ए वेराइटी ऑफ सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, लाइट, साउंड, स्मेल, हेट etc. बट ब्रेन ओनली अंडरस्टैंड इलेक्ट्रिकल स्टिमुलस, लेकिन ब्रेन केवल विद्युत उत्तेजना को ही समझती है, विद्युत इलेक्ट्रिकल स्टिमुलेट को ही समझती है। द बॉडी हैज ए स्पेशल सेंसरी रिसेप्शन, बॉडी के में स्पेशल सेंसरी रिसेप्शन है। दैट ट्रांसड्यूस दिस एक्सटर्नल एनर्जी टू समथिंग द ब्रेन कैन अंडरस्टैंड, जो ब्रेन अंडरस्टैंड को समझ सकते। इन दिस प्रोसेस ट्रांसडक्शन ए मेमोरी इज क्रिएटेड, इस प्रोसेस के बीच में मेमोरी बनता है। दिस मेमोरी इज वेरी शॉर्ट, ये मेमोरी बहुत कम समय के लिए रहता है, आधा सेकेंड के लिए बस। विजन जो देख सकते हो आधा सेकेंड, और जो सुनने वाला है जैसे 1 2 3 और सुने वो 3 सेकेंड के लिए बस। अब आता है शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी। आफ्टर इंटरनिंग सेंसरी मेमोरी, जब हम इंफॉर्मेशन सेंसरी मेमोरी में प्रवेश करती है, लिमिटेड अमाउंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन इज ट्रांसफर इनटू शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी। जब सेंसरी मेमोरी में इंफॉर्मेशन जाता है तो उसमें से बहुत कुछ मेमोरी शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी में ट्रांसफ़र होता है। सेलेक्टिव आइटम, जिस पर हम लोग ध्यान देते हैं वो इंफॉर्मेशन सेंसरी मेमोरी से शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी प्रवेश करती है। STM इज मोस्ट ऑफन स्टोरेज ए साउंड, ये स्पेशली साउंड को स्टोर करती है, स्पेशली इन रिकॉलिंग वर्ड, जो हम वर्ड को दोहराते हैं उस वर्ड को में भी स्टोर एज ए इमेज, इमेज भी स्टोर होती है शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी में। इसका लिमिटेड कैपेसिटी है 7 पीस ऑफ द इंडिपेंडेंट इंफॉर्मेशन, और ये इसका ड्यूरेशन टाइम है 3 to 20 सेकेंड, 3 to 20 सेकेंड बस। मिलर से मैजिक नंबर, जॉर्ज मिलर ए क्लासिक 1956 स्टडी फाउंड दैट अमाउंट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन विच कैन बी रिमेंबर ऑन वन एक्सपोजर इन बिटवीन 5 और 9 आइटम, 5 और 9 आइटम हो सकते हैं, डिपेंडिंग ऑन द इंफॉर्मेशन अप्लाइंग टू रेंज ऑफ 2 और -2। नंबर 7 बिकेम नोन एज मिलर्स मैजिक नंबर, ये मिलर के मैजिक नंबर से जाना जाता है। Within STM there are 3 basic operation, 3 basic: iconic memory, its ability to hold visual memory; acoustic memory, the ability to hold sound. Acoustic memory can be held longer than iconic memory. Iconic memory से ये मेमोरी ज़्यादा देर तक होल्ड करती है। वो इट इज शॉर्ट टर्म मेमोरी इज also called working memory, इसे वर्किंग मेमोरी भी कहा जाता है। That information is repeated, जिस इंफॉर्मेशन को हम वो लोग रिपीट करते हैं, याद करते हैं, वो इंफॉर्मेशन लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी में प्रवेश करती है। तीसरा है लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी। मेमोरी डिवाइडेड इनटू 3: सेंसरी मेमोरी, short term memory and long term memory. It is long term memory, this is relatively permanent storage, इसे permanent storage, जो long term memory में जो शब्द चला जाता है वो लाइफ टाइम के लिए रहता है स्टोर। The process of transferring information from STM to LTM involve the encoding or consolidation of information. This is not a function of time, that is a longer a memory stay in STM. More likely it was to be placed into LTM, but one organize complex information in STM before it can be encoded into LTM. In this process of organization, the meaning of fullness or emotional content of an item may play a greater role in the retention into LTM. Schema are mental models of world. Information in LTM is stored in irrelated network of these schemas. These in turn from intricate knowledge structures. Related schemes are linked together, and information that activate on one schema also activate there that are closely linked. This is how we recall relevant knowledge when similar information is represented. These schema guide us by diverting our attention to relevant information and allow us to discard what is not important. जो important नहीं है उसको हम हटा देते हैं। जो important है वो LTM में चला जाता है। Cognitive information process. Information process is the change of information in any manner detectable by an observer. Within the field of cognitive psychology, information processing is an approach to the goal of understanding human thinking. It began in 1950s 40th century and 1950 century. Educators are very interested in the study of how men learn. जो साइकोलॉजी से वेरी इंटरेस्टेड थे कि कैसे आदमी सीखता है. Many psychologists are studying in this process. Principle of information process. Principle of the information process. There are many principles of information process. The first is the assumption of the limited capacity of the mental system. First principle is the assumption of the limited capacity of the mental process. This means that amount of information that can be processed by the system is constrained in some very important way. Second principle is the control mechanism is required to oversee the encoding, transformation, processing, storage, retrieval, utilization of information. That is, not all of the processing capacity of the system is available, and execute function that oversees that process will use up some of this capacity. When one is learning a new task or is confronted with a new environment, the execute function requires more processing power than one is doing a routine task is in a familiar environment. A third principle is that there is a two-way flow of information as we try to make sense of the world around us. We constantly use of information. हम लोग लगातार इंफॉर्मेशन का यूज करते हैं और इन्वायरमेंट से इंफॉर्मेशन हम लोग को गैदर करते हैं. इंफॉर्मेशन वी हैव स्टोर इन मेमोरी, और मेमोरी में जो हम लोग के जमा किए हुए हैं वो इंफॉर्मेशन का हम लोग यूज करते हैं. Fourth principle is generally accepted by the cognitive psychologist is that human organism has been genetically prepared to process organized information in a specific way. For example, a human infant is more likely to look at a human face than any other stimulus. Information processing in learning and memory. One of the primary area of cognition study by a researcher is memory. Memory is a most important area of cognitive psychology. There are many hypotheses, suggestions as to how integration occurs, and many new theories have built upon established belief in areas. Talvi state that memory system is defined in terms of the brain mechanism, the kinds of information in process, the principle of this operation. This suggests that memory is a combined total of the mental experience. Many psychologists describe memory in own way. Elias Smith defined memory as the general ability to faculty enables us to interpret and perceptual world to help organize response to change that take place in the world. Wynne Snyder attribute the idea that memory is organized into structures to the work of Sir Frederick Charles Bartlett. Bartlett's work established two consistent patterns regarding recall. First, memory is inaccurate. His second finding, though, brought about somewhat of the revelation in traditional thinking about memory. Bartlett suggested that inaccuracy of memory is systematic. A systematic difference make allowable the scientific study of inaccurate. This suggests lead an entirely new mode of thought on memory. Cognitive information process model of learning. Cognitive information process model of learning. Learning के cognitive information process model. Information theorist approach learning primarily through a study of memory. The following cognitive information processing model of learning present a well-established paradigm of cognitive behavioral psychology. The model articulates the limited capacity of working memory. Working memory is a task with the burden of process incoming information, transferring information to long-term memory and retrieval of information from long-term memory. जो इन्फॉर्मेशन को हम लोग याद करते हैं वो इन्फॉर्मेशन लॉन्ग टर्म मेमोरी में प्रवेश करती है और वहाँ जाके स्टोर हो जाती है जो लाइफ टाइम के लिए हम लोग यूज करते हैं. The concept of cognitive load, the amount of work imposed on working memory by a learning task is based on observation, function, working memory. Information process is a memory can be viewed from a computer model perspective. कंप्यूटर मॉडल पर्सपेक्टिव की नज़र से देखा देखा जा सकता है. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ मेमोरी इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोसेसिंग. ब्रेन चेंज ब्रॉट अबाउट बाय बायोलॉजिकल मैचुरेशन और एक्सपीरियंस और बायोलॉजिकल मैचुरेशन. Increase processing capacity, speed, efficiency as a result of both maturation and knowledge development. Modification of connection in a neural network. New emergent concept arising from the repeat self-organization as a result of adapting to the demand of changing environment. Increase capacity for problem solving and metacognition. अब है encoding. Encoding occur during the initial process of the stimulus or event. Maturation and experience influence this process. Structuring and organizing information occur as the learner processes and store information. The learner's ability change over time. लर्निंग की क्षमता चेंज होती रहती है ओवर टाइम एज ए रिजल्ट ऑफ बोथ मैचुरेशन एंड एक्सपीरियंस. When present with information they are asked to remember. Younger children do not rehearse information in order to remember. याद करने के लिए ज़्यादा रिहर्स नहीं करता फिर भी याद हो जाता है. As they get into school they begin to develop and taught various strategies. At first these strategies are only used when promoted by someone else. But as a child become more competent in their use and uses them more frequently, the child will increasingly use a strategy spontaneously. One of the most important information processing capacity a child develops is the ability to organize information. This turn influenced by child's ability to categorize. One of the basic type of category is the grouping of a specific event, idea, people, things, etc. into concept. Ross and his colleagues Mervis, Roch, Mervis, Gray Johnson, Weiss, Brehm demonstrated two fundamental features to the development of concept. Each of identified similarity of member of the concept distinguish different between members that are not. For example, the development of the concept of animal would be more difficult than development the concept of dog, cat, because it would be easier to identify similarities among dogs or cat, the difference between cat and dog, then it would be identify similarity among all animal or different all animal from all plant, जो कि डिफरेंट करता है. स्टोरेज एंड रिट्राइवल. हाउ मच इंफॉर्मेशन कैन बी स्टोर, कितना इंफॉर्मेशन को स्टोर किया जा सकता है. रिट्राइव रिलेटिव टू ए स्टिमुलस इवेंट एल्सो चेंज ओवर टाइम. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, प्रायर टू अबाउट age 7 months in infant will not speak an object that has been shown and then removed from view. देखता है और भूल जाता है. The infant has encoded the subject and will reach for it, but seems those interest as soon as in longer in view. A series of study by Bauer, Madler and Associates demonstrate a child increasingly ability to perform simple multiple act sequence. By the age 30 month, infant can reproduce 3 act sequences. By age 20 month, he has increase of 5 act sequence, and by the 30 month to 8 separate action. As children gain language skill, बच्चे जो बड़े होते हैं लैंग्वेज स्किल सीखते हैं, एबिलिटी टू स्टोर करना याद करते हैं, कॉम्प्लेक्स इवेंट इंक्रीजेज. दिस इज शोन फर्स्ट इन ऑटोबायोग्राफिकल अकाउंट ऑफ डेली एक्टिविटी, देन टू इवेंट दे मे हैव विटनेस और हियर्ड अबाउट. Children differ in their ability to integrate different strategy into a coherent pattern for successful learning. सब बच्चे अलग अलग तरीका से सीखते हैं. उनकी एबिलिटी क्षमता अलग अलग होता है. कुछ बच्चा जल्दी सीख लेते हैं, कुछ धीरे धीरे सीखते हैं. Theory of information processing. Designing instruction that incorporate best practice for information processing. The understanding of how the mind process and store information is inavailable to educator as they plan for instruction. If learning is to occur, जब लर्निंग होती है अगर, educator must ensure new information is processed in such a way that it can be retained in long-term memory. In order to achieve this, elaboration connection must occur between previously learned memory and new information. It has been established that the more deeply information is the process, more connection that can be between new information and existing information structure. The more information will be retained in a long-term memory. Bloom's taxonomy of cognitive domain. Bloom's taxonomy cognitive. It is important. It is ये परीक्षा में ज़रूर आता है. यह महत्वपूर्ण टॉपिक है. Bloom et al. Proposed that information process can be classified in 6 level. उन्होंने 6 लेवल पर क्लासीफाई किया है. The first level knowing and simply require a learner to repeat back and was here और सुन जानना. This involve very little elaboration. The second level comprehension. First है knowing, दूसरा है comprehension. Comprehension requires some rudimentary level of understanding that might involve having the student summarize, paraphrase some of information. Again, this requires only modest level of elaboration. The next two level है application analysis. फर्स्ट है knowing, दूसरा है comprehension, तीसरा है application analyze. Application involve using concept or principle to solve a problem, while analysis and understanding the relationship among the parts, how they are organized into a whole. The last है synthesis evaluation. Bloom taxonomy of cognition. Bloom information process can be classified into 6 levels. First है knowing, comprehension, application, analysis and synthesis and evaluation. ये 6. अब स्टर्नबर्ग इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोसेसिंग अप्रोच. स्टर्नबर्ग इंफॉर्मेशन another theory firmly grounded in the information processing approach is the Sternberg. Sternberg theory suggests that development is a skill-based, the continuous rather than stage discontinuous, as stage theory believe, and is focus on the intelligence. स्टेनबर्ग फोकस ध्यान आकर्षित किया ऑन इंटेलिजेंस पर. दिस फोकस ऑन इंटेलिजेंस सेपरेट हिज आइडिया फ्रॉम स्टेज थ्योरी. स्टेनबर्ग थ्योरी इज कॉल्ड स्टेज थ्योरी, कैन बी कॉल्ड स्टेज थ्योरी बिकॉज इट रिजेक्ट द आइडिया incremental stage theory, but rather suggested the development occur the same way without life differences. इन्होंने स्टेज थ्योरी प्रपोज किया है. स्टेनबर्ग प्रपोजेज स्टेज थ्योरी. In Sternberg model, each of these components work together to facilitate learning, cognitive development. Meta components are executive in nature. They guide and planning decision making in reference to problem solving situation. They serve to identify the problem, connect it with experience from past. There, however, no connection directly related. Meta component simply direct what action will follow. Performance component. Meta component, performance component. Performance component are the action taken in completion of the problem solving task. Performance component go beyond meta components in they perform meta components and performance. Perform the function also weighing merit and consequence of action comparison to the other option rather simply identify option. स्टैनबर्ग थर्ड पर्पज, तीसरा टाइप ऑफ इंटेलिजेंस को परवेज है नॉलेज एक्विजिशन कंपोनेंट. पहला मेटा कंपोनेंट, परफॉर्मेंस दूसरा, और तीसरा नॉलेज एक्विजिशन कंपोनेंट. तीसरा नॉलेज एक्विजिशन कंपोनेंट. दिस टाइप इज characterized by ability to learn new information in order to solve a potential problem. This three-level view of intelligence comprises componential aspect of Steinberg's theory. But this is only one three part of his larger triadic theory of intelligence. इन्होंने प्रपोज किया triadic theory. triadic theory प्रपोज किया है. Steinberg theory are the component of feedback to theory of cognitive development. This suggests that individuals' interaction has some impact on cognitive development. In fact, one of the three parts of his theory is based on context in which learning takes place. This sub-part of the theory, इन्होंने 3 स्टेज थ्योरी सजेस्ट किया है. और 3 स्टेज थ्योरी तीनों का 3 अलग अलग पार्ट है. इन्होंने इंटेलिजेंस थ्योरी प्रपोज किया है. These theories all work under the assumption that new information can most effectively be learned if material can be matched or to memory structure already in place. इन्होंने triadic theory प्रपोज किया है. Steinberg proposed triadic theories. That is, we discuss further next video. Third unit we will discuss.